Looking for the best rotating hot air brush in 2026? In this video, we'll show you the top 3 rotating hairdryer brushes on Amazon. All the product links are in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Beautimeter 3-in-1 Rotating Hot Air Brush, designed to dry and style your hair at the same time. This versatile tool combines a hairdryer, styling brush, and volumizer in one device, helping you achieve a smooth, salon-quality blowout at home. The automatic rotating brush spins in both directions, making it easy to create soft curls, waves, or sleek straight styles with less effort. It includes 2 interchangeable brush sizes, 1.5 inches and 2 inches, perfect for adding volume or shaping different hair lengths. With ionic technology, ceramic coating, and multiple heat settings, it helps reduce frizz while leaving your hair smooth, shiny, and full of volume. Discover the Tasneem 7-in-1 Rotating Hairdryer Multi-Styler, designed to simplify your hair routine with one versatile tool. It comes with several attachments that allow you to curl, smooth, and add body to your hair, giving you multiple styling options in a single device. The auto-wrap barrels use airflow to gently pull and shape the hair, helping you create natural-looking curls and waves with ease. Equipped with ionic care, adjustable temperature levels, and a powerful motor, it helps control frizz while leaving hair soft, glossy, and full of movement. Enjoy quick drying and flexible styling with the Tasneem Rotating Hairdryer Multi-Styler. Meet the Infinity Pro by Conair Spin Air Rotating Styler, a convenient tool designed to dry and shape your hair in one step. The rotating 1.5-inch brush gently guides your hair around the barrel, helping you create soft waves, smooth styles, and added lift at the roots. Built with tourmaline ceramic technology and ionic conditioning, it helps control static while leaving hair sleek and shiny. With adjustable heat settings and a cool option to set your style, this styler makes everyday hairstyling quicker and easier. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to check the description and pinned comment for all the links. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the best beauty tips and reviews. See you in the next video!